Okay, so today class we're going to look at capacity. Capacity is similar to volume. In fact, it really is the exact same thing. However, capacity is referring to the maximum amount for a container and what it can hold. Now it's related because sometimes they are the same thing. Really, capacity is liquid measurements. So capacity is kind of volume for liquids slash containers. Okay, so containers that hold liquids, such as your gas tank, such as your milk carton, such as any liquids that you buy, like juice, etc. Okay, so we use liquids all the time. For the metric system, we use a liter. Liter is our base unit. Oops, not being base unit. So other base units we had were meters and grams, but for capacity we use the liter. And so we have some common ones. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, and 1 liter is 1,000 centimeters cubed, because 1 milliliter is 1 centimeters cubed. Okay, and you use this one when you're kids for medicine. Now, when you have kids, you're going to use that a lot because they're always needing some ibuprofen to take down your fever. Okay, usually you'll see on the syringe cc rather than centimeters cubed. Cc stands for cubic centimeter. Okay, there we go. Any questions? If you do, email me. So we also have some imperial units. So for imperial units, it's gallons, quarts, pints, cups, and fluid ounces. This is from your large capacity to your small capacity. Okay. And so you can see 1 gallon is the largest. It's 4 quarts. And then 1 quart is 2 pints, and then 1 pint is 2 cups. That's how they work themselves down. For a gallon, there are different sizes for a gallon. There's a British UK gallon and an American US gallon. All right, so British gallon is large. It's about 4.5 liters, whereas a US gallon is only 3.8 liters. In fact, I believe it's 3.75 liters. But the reason why I know that is because you use this one when you go to the States and buy milk. Okay, it's not quite 4 liters, or in Canada it is 4 liters. Or when you go buy gas, it's not quite 4 liters, so don't use that in your conversion because it won't be accurate. Okay, continuing on then. Some more liquid measurements, and you're going to use these for recipes if you're baking or cooking. So 1 teaspoon is about 5 mils. You'll usually see that both on there nowadays. You start to see more and more recipes in milliliters. 1 tablespoon is 15, okay? Then 1 fluid ounce is about 2 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. That's a common one you use a lot when you're baking. And then 1 cup is 250 mils, okay? Good. So use conversion booklet. No, don't use your data booklet. Use Google. Okay, that's what we want you to use, so you're comfortable doing that. You should have an idea of sizes, but you want to type in convert blank units to, and then your new units. Okay, and then you can press enter. So that's it, what you want to type into Google. All right, for these ones right here. Okay, so let's do these examples here. So you would type in convert 524 milliliters to fluid ounce, and then it's going to come up, and you can type UK in brackets. And then it'll go and convert for you. And they'll do all your conversions. It'll be very similar. Okay, you could also use Google, or use a conversion website. And there's lots out there once you type in one conversion question. Okay, so you could answer those all using Google. Same thing here, right? So you just convert that into quarts and then put US in brackets, away you go. So all you need to do for Google is type in convert that into quarts and then you'll be fine. Okay, so that has to go into your search bar up top. Good, and now you can do assignment 2, converting. Right, you want to kind of learn, learn the different sizes. And what I mean by that is try and understand which is larger versus smaller. So which unit is larger and which one is smaller? That's kind of what we want to do with this unit. Okay? All right, off to assignment number